Good morning, Leo. What happened? Huh? Why are you sad? What happened? Huh? What happened? What happened? Tell me. Are you sick? Good morning, baby. Good morning. What happened to you? Why you're not so lovely as ever when I came here always in your house? Why? What happened? Hmm? What happened, Leo? Are you sick? Huh? Or you miss me so much? That's why you are like that now. Huh? What happened, Leo? Why you're so sad? Why? Is this a drama or what? Are you sick, Leo? Huh? Why? You're sick or not? Or you're making drama only? Ah, you're making drama, huh? You are pranking me. Aray. See, guys. He's scratching my hand again. You're so drama. Say hi, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? Thank you for watching my video, guys. I'm Leo, the pogi, the handsome Leo, the naughty one, the dramatic actor ever.